dropshipping business model is becoming increasingly popular, and Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms. If you're thinking of starting a dropshipping business in 2022, you should definitely watch our video on how to start dropshipping on Shopify. There are a few reasons why you should watch our video before starting a dropshipping business on Shopify in 2022. First, we'll give you an overview of the dropshipping business model and how it works. Second, we'll show you how to set up your Shopify store for dropshipping. And lastly, we'll give you some tips on how to succeed with dropshipping. After watching our video, you'll have a much better understanding of the dropshipping business model and how to set up your Shopify store for success. So if you're thinking of starting a dropshipping business in 2022, make sure to watch our video first. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. You've done your research and you're ready to start a dropshipping business. But what should you sell? In this video, we'll give you some tips on how to choose a dropshipping business idea, how to research your competition, and how to find a supplier. When choosing a dropshipping business idea, it's important to consider a few factors. Your passion. Do you have a passion for the products you'll be selling? If you're not passionate about your products, it will be difficult to sell them. Your target market. Who are you selling to? It's important to choose a target market that you understand. Your experience. Do you have experience in the industry you're choosing to enter? If not, you'll need to do some research to understand your target market and your competition. Your skills. Do you have the skills needed to run a dropshipping business? If not, you'll need to either learn the skills or partner with someone who has the skills you need. Now that you know what to consider when choosing a dropshipping business idea, let's take a look at how to research your competition. You'll need to understand their business model and their marketing strategy. Here are a few questions to ask yourself about your competition. What are they selling? How are they marketing their products? What are their strengths and weaknesses? Once you have a good understanding of your competition, you'll need to find a supplier for your products. There are a few different ways to find suppliers for your dropshipping business. Online directories. There are a number of online directories that list dropshipping suppliers, such as SaleHow and worldwide brands. Supplier websites. You can also find suppliers by searching for them online. Many suppliers have their own websites where you can contact them directly. Trade shows. You can find suppliers by attending trade shows. This is a great way to meet suppliers in person and get a feel for their products. Once you've found a supplier, you'll need to create your dropshipping store. There are a few different platforms you can use to create your store, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿. Once you've created your store, you'll need to start marketing your products. There are a number of different marketing channels you can use to market your dropshipping business. One of the best marketing channels for dropshipping businesses is SEO. This is because it can help you to rank highly in search engines for relevant keywords. This means that potential customers are more likely to find your website when they are searching for products that you sell. Another good marketing channel for dropshipping businesses is social media marketing. This is because social media platforms are a great way to connect with potential customers and build relationships. You can use social media to promote your products and build brand awareness. Paid advertising is another good marketing channel. This is because it can help you to reach a wider audience with your ads. You can use paid advertising to promote your website and products on various platforms, such as Google, Facebook, and Instagram. Email marketing is another effective marketing. This is because it allows you to build a list of potential customers who have opted in to receive emails from you. You can then send them regular emails promoting your products. Content marketing is another good marketing channel for dropshipping businesses. This is because it allows you to create informative and engaging content that will help to promote your products. You can use content marketing to write blog posts, create videos, and create infographics. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.